It is Saturday, June 27th. We are doing a get ready with me to work some bird dogs. So first things first, when I get to the farm, I do not live here, but we are planning on moving here in the future. But we got to build a house first. So I come from like 25 minutes away. First thing I do when we get here is let the dogs out. Everyone loves to hold their poops until we get to the farm. So, first dog out is always Blitz. She's got things to do, places to be, chickies to see. Wait, Blitz. Wait. Alright. June is at home with her dad, so that's all my kids for the day. Next, we've got a little pup. A little pup. We've got little Stella, the lab puppy. Stella, the lab puppy. And then we got Piper. Piper, the chocolate lab, who has done a bunch of programs with me, is here for boarding. We just picked her up this morning. So I'm sure everyone will want to say hi. Just keeping an eye on Stella. Stella can be a little obnoxious, but so can Piper, so they probably will get along just fine. Let's see. Next, we got Reba. Oh, Blitz, did you do a poop, please? Next, we got Reba. Reba. Whoa, careful. Reba. And then we'll get out. Oops, I'd already turned this on. We'll get out Deuce Man. Deuce, there's lots of girls out here waiting for you. Deuce loves the girls. Come on, bud. Toast quit. And last but not least, we got Moose Man. Moose and Deuce the Boykins. Moose comes back to board with me often, and we love it. Moose is such a good boy. He's always good with everyone. He's good with my chickens. He's easy. He's enjoyable. We love having Moose around. All right. So now I will come collect my camera. So once everyone is out, we go for a little walk. This fence is on. So, but I like to let the dogs poop in the horse pasture. Free. Okay, free. Go. Toast. Unnecessary. When dogs are out like this, I do monitor them. Blitz. Blitz sounds big and scary and intimidating, but she really isn't. I just want to make sure no one is playing too rough, no one is getting uncomfortable, no one is eating horse poop, no one is running into each other. A lot of times the young bird dogs would just plow into each other, and I don't want anyone getting hurt. No one's doing any excessive sniffing. Piper. And this is how we get all of our poops out in the morning. Piper, come on. Whoa, careful. Keep your feet under you, Stella. So anytime I see any behavior I don't like, anything appropriate, I'll just correct the dog. Like Deuce is about to get corrected for, he did fine there. Blitz must have found a turtle. Ember! Let's see if it's... I'm guessing it's not that big snapping turtle I saw the other day. Deuce! If it's a slider... Blitz! 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 Whoa! Alright, just one of those big, I think it's called a mudslider or something. He's good. Let's leave him alone, Blitzy. Blitz! Blitz! Come on. Let's leave him alone. Hey, toast, toast, toast! Normally I let the dogs get in the pond, but we're in such a bad drought. It's like 100% mud and they get really stinky and gross. So we're going to try to keep them out of the pond. So all I do is like kind of a big lap. Everyone getting their poops out. All right, so I will walk back to the truck and Blitz, come on. Such a menace. Blitz, come on. Walk back to the truck and give everyone some water and put everyone up while I get Mark set up. So I'll go give everyone some water and get all of my equipment is in my truck today. Olive. There's a little correction. Olive can be a little bit rough for Reba's liking. So Olive, keep an eye on that. Piper, come on. Make sure Reba's having fun. It can be scary being a little dog. Piper, you gotta be easy. She's little. Stella, no. That's why I keep a check cord on puppies. She cannot not be too rough with Reba, and there's nothing I can do about it when she's not e-collar conditioned. So just restraining her for a bit and keeping her away from Reba. Blitz, come on. Okay, so I'm going to go get everyone water, and then I'm going to get everything out of my truck. No poopy. And set up some marks today. So that is how I get ready for my day, no matter what I'm doing with the bird dogs, is letting everyone kind of get their demons and their poopies out.